Ready to unleash your Ton wallet in the dog's universe? Let's get it connected. First things first, fire up the dog's platform, whether it's the website or app, and look for the settings or profile section. Usually it's found in the corner of the screen. Once you are in settings, hunt for an option like Wallet Connection, Connect Wallet, or something similar. It's often tucked away under Security or Account Settings of DOGS. You might see a list of different wallets. Now it's time to select Ton. Clicking this will start the wallet connection process that DOGS wants to establish. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect your Ton wallet to the dog's app. Read carefully, and if you're happy with it, click Accept or Confirm. Now head over to your Ton wallet app on your phone. Some connections are done via app scanning a QR code on DOGS, then authorizing the connection from within the wallet. Great job, you are almost there. Once authorized, the dog's platform will show a confirmation, and your Ton wallet address should now be visible within your dog's settings. Now you can fully interact with DOGS using your Ton wallet. Start making transactions and have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.